Alright guys, we're back at it. Got the YZ looking nice. Got the Stark looking nice, of course. This is going to be our last time at Fox Valley. They are moving to a new location. This will be the last time that we're here. After this though, we're going to hit some indoor track. One being like an old B-52 hangar, which should be really cool. And the other one being the same owners of this place, just in a warehouse. In terms of what was done to the bike since the last time, I got a new rear tire. In the last video, you guys can see I kept losing air pressure. Put on a MX-32 Dunlop, sorry, MX-34. And then the front's still the MX-33, which is like the previous generation of the 34. But yeah, we're gonna be ripping the track today mostly, right? Because trails are gonna be pretty muddy. But I will see you guys down at the track. Wow, it's muddy. Oh, those are big ruts. Wow, it's so muddy. This is bad. Dylan's probably thinking the same thing right now. Oh my god. Yo, it's like destroyed. This is kind of unbearable, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, it's so muddy.
I know.
That was insane. Bro, what did you think? It's gone.
Yeah, it's like not even there.
Got flushed out. That's the worst condition I've ever seen the track. I mean, oh, that guy's falling down the hill. Jeez, I hope he's good. Yeah, bro actually fell down the hill. As much as I hate to say this, this would be a day for a quad. Even with the brand new tire, I was not getting traction. And I see another person stuck on the hill climb. Oh my god, he's flinging so much dirt. Bro, your bike is covered. Oh. Pull. Nuh-uh. Let's see how muddy it is over here. Whoa. That was sick. Did I roost you? Sorry. Alright guys, so I don't know if the camera caught it, but I went up this hill climb, got stuck. Pretty sure I followed the plug. She's not starting back up, probably flooded. I'm gonna head back up to the truck, get a new spark plug, get the spark plug wrench, and Dylan, like the G that he is letting me take the Stark up. I'll be right back. I will. See you soon. Nothing but good things about this bike, guys. This bike really doesn't have a downside. I have yet to figure that out. Alright guys, so it's gonna be our last sesh at Fox Valley. We really have progressed a lot in like 5 months. It's pretty crazy. We were absolute noobs the first time. And not that we're professionals now, but you know.